Hi everybody, here I am in my Citroen CX. This is a 2000 Super model from 1977 in beige Vanneau. If you can see outside. Yes, the garage is full of stupid things, I know. On this video, I want to show you the gear changes on this 4-speed gearbox. Of course it has the reverse too. Let's press the embrayage. So, first, second, third, fourth, neutral, reverse. Neutral. When I find a little time, I'm gonna show you this car. I'm going to present you. Sorry. Yes, that is it. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.